Louis Dire, lecture apéritive.
Lecture apéritive.
Un soir, mon père et moi, on rentrait à la maison en voiture après un match de basket. Il y avait du blizzard. On écoutait à la radio et on ne parlait pas beaucoup. D'abord parce que mon père, à jeun, n'était guère loquace. Et ensuite parce que les Indiens n'ont pas besoin de parler pour communiquer.
Salut tout le monde, au micro Big Bill Begins pour votre émission Les Classiques de la Nuit sur K-Rock 87.2, votre radio FM. Betty de Decoa nous demande la version de Jimi Hendrix de La Bannière Étoilée enregistrée live à Woodstock.
My father smiled, turned the volume up, and we rode down the highway while Jimmy led the way like a snowplow. Until that night, I'd always been neutral about Jimi Hendrix. But in that near blizzard with my father at the wheel, with the nervous silence caused by the dangerous roads in Jimmy's guitar, there seemed to be more to all that music. The reverberation came to mean something, took form and function. That song made me want to learn to play the guitar, not because I wanted to be Jimi Hendrix and not because I thought I'd ever play for anyone. I just wanted to touch the strings, hold the guitar tight against my body, invent a chord and come closer to what Jimmy knew, to what my father knew. You know, I said to my father after the song was over, my generation of Indian boys had ever had no real war to fight. The first Indians had Custer to fight, my great-grandfather had World War I, my grandfather had World War II, you had Vietnam, all I have is video games.
Mon père rit longuement, faillit quitter la route et s'embourber dans les champs enneigés. Merde, dit-il. Je comprends pas comment tu peux regretter ça. T'as de la chance, ouais. Merde, tout ce que t'as eu, c'est cette saloperie de tempête du désert. D'ailleurs, cette guerre du Golfe, on aurait dû l'appeler tempête du dessert, parce que ça n'a servi qu'à engraisser les gros. C'était du gâteau, et en plus, avec de la crème et une cerise par-dessus. Et puis t'avais même pas à le faire. Tout ce que tu risquais de perdre dans cette guerre-là, c'était ton sommeil, parce que tu restais toute la nuit à regarder CNN. On continuait à rouler dans la neige, à parler de guerre et de paix.
That's all there is, my father said. War and peace, with nothing in between. It's always one or the other. You sound like a book, I said. Yeah, well, that's how it is. Just because it's in a book doesn't make it not true. And besides, why the hell would you want to fight a war for this country? It's been trying to kill Indians since the very beginning. Indians are pretty much born soldiers anyway. Don't need a uniform to prove it. Those were the kinds of conversation that Jimi Hendrix forced us to have. I guess every song has a special meaning for someone, somewhere. Elvis Presley is still showing up in 7-Eleven stores across the country, even though he's been dead for years. So I figure music just might be the most important things there is. Music turned my father into a reservation philosopher. Music had a powerful medicine.